Hello, everyone. Backend development is the backbone of any application, yet it's often where developers face their toughest challenges. Today, I'll share lessons learned through real world experience, mistakes, successes, and strategies that make systems reliable and scalable. These lessons aren't theoretical, they're hard earned insights from solving complex problems. My goal is to arm you with practical knowledge to streamline your processes and build resilient backends that make systems reliable and scalable. These lessons aren't theoretical, they're hard earned insights from solving complex problems. My goal is to arm you with practical knowledge to streamline your processes and build resilient backends. Here's what we'll cover today. We'll start with an introduction to backend development and discuss why following best practices is critical in ensuring system reliability and scalability. Then, we'll explore lessons learned in areas like logging, input validation, database optimization, caching, error handling, and configuration management. Moving forward, we'll discuss testing, deployment strategies, API design, and performance optimization. Finally, we'll end with actionable tips and tricks, along with real-world examples. Each section focuses on practical advice and logical insights, ensuring you can immediately implement these practices in your work. Complexity is the enemy of maintainability. A complex codebase may seem impressive, but it's also prone to bugs, harder to debug, and a nightmare to scale. Remember, clean and simple code is not only easier to read but also easier to test and maintain. Avoid clever but convoluted solutions. Instead, prioritize clarity. Systems should be designed with future developers in mind, making your code a legacy of excellence, not frustration. As the saying goes, simple is better than complex, and that principle is at the heart of backend success. Imagine troubleshooting a critical issue without logs. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded. Logging every exception, especially with unique IDs, is non-negotiable. Structured logging, which organizes logs in a consistent format, ensures quick identification of issues. Always include request contexts, such as user ID or session data, to make logs actionable. Proactively rotate logs to prevent disk overloads. Skipping proper logging is a mistake you'll regret when issues arise. A good log is your debugging best friend, guiding you to the problem's root quickly and efficiently. In backend development, trust is a luxury you can't afford, especially with user inputs. Even if the input comes from your front end, treat it as potentially malicious. Validate inputs rigorously at the API gateway level. Use strong typing instead of generic types like any, and never rely on manual sanitization. Prepared statements are your safeguard against SQL injection, which remains one of the most exploited vulnerabilities. Implement rate limiting to protect against brute force and DDoS attacks. Securing inputs is about anticipating misuse and closing the door on attackers before they step inside. Your database is your application's treasure chest, and protecting its integrity requires planning. Understand transaction isolation levels. They aren't one size fits all and can significantly affect performance. Index queries before production to prevent slowdowns that can cripple your app. Never run migrations during peak hours. Downtime impacts users and revenue. Always maintain a replica database for emergencies or read-heavy operations. Monitoring query performance from day one is essential to avoid bottlenecks as your system scales. A well-maintained database isn't just functional, it's a competitive advantage. Caching is powerful but tricky. It's not about caching everything, it's about caching smartly. Set time to live, TTL, values to avoid serving stale data, and place your cache at the correct layer. CDN for static content, app level for computations, or database level for repeated queries. Always prepare a cache busting strategy for when updates are needed. Cache invalidation can cause hidden issues if not handled well, making it one of the hardest problems in computer science. Done right, cache in. Done right, caching boosts speed. Done wrong, it creates chaos. Errors are inevitable, but how you handle them can make or break your system's reliability. Never swallow exceptions silently, they provide crucial insights into issues. Return appropriate HTTP status codes to guide users or developers to the problem's nature. Include detailed error messages and codes in responses, especially for APIs, to aid debugging. Most importantly, have fallback mechanisms for critical processes to ensure the system continues functioning. Transparent and robust error handling builds user trust and prevents minor issues from escalating into disasters. Configuration is the backbone of flexibility in your back-end systems. Hard-coding credentials is a cardinal sin. Always use environment variables. Maintain separate configurations for different environments like development, staging, and production to avoid unintended mishaps. Version control your configs to track changes over time, and document every parameter for clarity. Good configuration practices ensure that even under unexpected changes, your system remains stable, predictable, and secure. Treat configurations as part of your source code, they're just as important. Testing is your safety net in back-end development. While unit tests are essential, they're only the first step. Integration tests help identify bugs in how different components interact. Test for edge cases, such as error conditions or unexpected inputs, and mock external services for controlled scenarios. Using realistic data volumes ensures your application can handle real-world loads. Comprehensive testing is the difference between a system that works in theory and one that thrives in practice. Always remember, an untested backend is an unreliable backend. Deployments should never be a gamble. Use feature flags to control feature rollouts, minimizing risk. Always have rollback scripts ready, you never know when something will go wrong. Schedule deployments during low traffic hours to minimize impact. And monitor key metrics like error rates and performance immediately after deployment. Documenting your deployment process ensures consistency and helps new team members. Remember, a successful deployment isn't just about pushing code, it's about doing so with precision and confidence. APIs are your application's public face, and their design determines user satisfaction. Version your APIs from day one to manage changes without breaking integrations. Use data transfer objects, DTOs, for consistency in request and response handling. Keep payloads lean to improve performance, especially on mobile networks. Follow REST conventions for predictability and consistency. Finally, document API changes thoroughly so users know what to expect. A well-designed API is a bridge to seamless integration and long-term success. Performance isn't about blindly optimizing everything, it's about focusing on bottlenecks. Profile your application to identify slow processes before attempting fixes. N+1 queries are a common pitfall. Ensure your database queries are optimized. Use connection pools to efficiently manage database resources. Where appropriate, implement asynchronous processing to reduce wait times. Monitoring memory usage and fixing leaks ensures that your system doesn't degrade under load. Performance is an ongoing effort, requiring constant monitoring and fine-tuning. Backend development is an art that combines precision, strategy, and adaptability. By embracing simplicity, security, and scalability, you ensure your systems remain resilient and user-focused. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to improve. Continuously refine your processes, learn from mistakes, and stay curious about new innovations. With these principles, you'll not only build great systems but also set yourself apart as a back-end expert. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.